Here I am in my DGPT account. I already made few videos about this project. As you can see, I have $393. At the moment, my daily task is to activate accelerators that will be used in project AI. So we're purchasing the servers and activate them every day to speed up AI functions. As you can see, it's easy task. You can finish it in 1 minute. At the moment I have 7 accelerators. I bought them all at first level. Now everything is working. $393 are here, and now I need to wait 2 hours. Here you can see AI implemented in the app. You can use it for free when you have app installed. So it's very easy project. The only thing you need to do is to invest 100 USDT on the Tron network to make some earnings. Now I'll log out and come in to ours. Here I am again in my account. I'll claim 1 cent from my device, and you can see the difference, $426. So $32.8 daily amount you will receive when you purchase all accelerators. And what's also interesting, you can see that accelerators finished with work. Now I'll explain to you how to install the app. You have in the video description all details, but these are some basic stuffs. So first thing to do is click on Asset Center, click on Deposit 100 USDT, and you will receive address where to send the money. When you finish payment, the money will show up on your account. Once when you finish deposit, you'll go to purchase accelerator. You need to purchase the one that costs 100 USDT if you want to promote this project. So you don't need referrals, but in the case that you want to promote, you need to purchase 100 pack. There is a smaller one, 50 USDT, but you don't have any bonuses and don't have referral earnings. So select the one that costs 100 USDT, click on Buy Now, insert your trading password, and deploy the server. Once the server is deployed, you need to click to find it in Task Center, click on Start, and accelerator will make you 3.4 USDT daily. As you collect money, you can purchase more accelerators and speed up your earnings. The maximum you can get from this project is 32.8 USDT daily if you don't want to promote it, or you can earn more if you build a network. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.